Are you ready to lead data engineering at a senior manager level? This role focuses on Azure and Databricks expertise, critical for modern cloud data platforms. Focused Futures Consultancy is hiring for an award-winning global systems integrator. Our client operates globally with thousands of employees. They specialize in data, analytics, AI, and cloud solutions. Their partners include top companies in retail, finance, healthcare, and media. This position combines strategic leadership with hands-on engineering. You will influence enterprise data platform architecture and lead delivery teams. It's a high-impact role shaping data solutions worldwide. Responsibilities include designing cloud data platforms and building scalable ETL and DLT pipelines. You will develop data models and play a critical role helping to deliver real-time analytics platforms. These support critical business decision-making across industries. The technology stack features Azure, Databricks, Spark, PySpark, SQL Server, and Azure Data Factory. Modern tools like Airflow and Power BI are also integral. These technologies enable secure, scalable, and high-performing data engineering. As a senior leader, mentoring engineers is essential. You will champion best practices and drive innovation. Developing the next generation of data professionals is a key focus. Ideal candidates have proven enterprise data engineering experience, over 8 years commercial experience. Strong stakeholder management and team leadership skills are required. Expertise in data warehousing, modeling, and agile delivery is important. The role offers a competitive salary between £75,000 and £95,000 plus bonus. Benefits include private healthcare, pension, learning opportunities, and hybrid working. This supports a balanced and rewarding career. If you have strong Azure and Databricks skills and leadership experience, this could be your next exciting challenge. Visit focusedfutures.co.uk/current-openings to learn more or scan the QR code and apply today.